Hi students, exercise problem number 2. In Young's double slit experiment, 62 fringes are seen on a screen for sodium light of wavelength 5893 angstrom unit. If violet light of wavelength 4359 angstrom unit is used in place of sodium light, how many fringes will be seen? So very simple. The number of fringes is inversely proportional to the wavelength. As the wavelength gets reduced, more and more number of fringes will be produced. So we can write N1 is proportional to 1 by lambda 1 and N2 is proportional to 1 by lambda 2. So N1 by N2 is now equal to lambda 2 divided by lambda 1. We need N2, number of fringes in the second case. So I will take N2 by N1 is equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2. Therefore, N2 is equal to N1 into lambda 1 divided by lambda 2. So we have to substitute N1 is equal to 62 into lambda 1 is 5893 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. So 1 angstrom is 10 power minus 10 meter divided by 4359 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So this 10 power minus 10 get cancelled. So this is equal to the remainder 62 multiplied by, now this greater number 5893 divided by 4359, it will come around 1.352. You have to use the calculator and verify it. Okay, so if you multiply means it will be nearly equal to 83.7 or nearly equal to 80 is equal to, okay, therefore A1. N2 is equal to, what is asked here, A1 is to A2 is asked. So A1 divided by A2. So 5A1 is equal to 7A2. Therefore A1 by A2 is equal to 7 by 5. Or A1 is to A2 ratio is equal to 7 is to 5 is the answer.